evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, May 14th, 2010. Today we had a total of 10 executable trade signals for a max potential of 53 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning. Pre-market session, the market was down, gap down quite a bit. We did not have a valid gap range today, and we opened up right around 46.25. A lot of negativity to the market. The market quickly pushed up as if it was going to go fill its half gap, pulled back. Unfortunately for us, we got a signal to get long, and that ended up being a full stop out, minus 14 on that first trade of the day right out of the chute. And just, that was an early trade. A lot of times in our rooms we tell people to hold off 5-10 minutes or so in the morning, but this particular trade fired right away, and we do count them on the videos when even if they happen early in the day like that. So first trade, full stop out, lost 14 ticks on that one. But the market pushed down hard, gave us an extension opportunity to the downside. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 14 ticks. So about 8 to 10 minutes into the market, we were all square. We had a full loser for 14. We had a full winner for 14. So the market continued to push down, as you know, as we just had a big sell-off there. And, there was a little bit of a retracement, not enough to give us any type of signal. The market continued on its downward path. There was no other opportunities for us to get in until after the 10 o'clock reversal time frame came and went. We had a push up to our moving average, a little pullback, another push, got an opportunity to get an extension long there. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks to the upside, as the market, a little bit of profit taking going on there just after that initial half-hour run. And if any of you were trading in the markets in that first half hour on Friday, you know that that action was just fast and furious, and it was quite spectacular. So this bounce you're seeing here is nothing more than profits being taken off of that morning down run, but by all means the mood for the day is definitely bearish. So around 10:30, we get a cross back down to the downside. We actually get a signal short at 10:36. That produces targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks. We actually had a little bit of a cross to the upside. It was enough to give us a reset, give us another signal right about 11 o'clock, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 8 additional ticks. And on days like this in our room, we just try to stay short as much as we can. But I'm showing you the results of a trading plan that has very specific rules, and we are not filtering in these videos. So this is if you were taking every signal that would be generated for our plan. So it will take the long signals, and in this case we came up to our moving average, got an opportunity to get long going into lunch, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 12 ticks. Now between 11:30 and 1:15, we call that our lunchtime dead zone, and my charts are colored red. That indicates there is to be no trading that goes on there. Now we still have reversal times that happen in the dead zone. That's this little shaded area you see, and you see the market did reverse right on time, and did pop to the upside, and there were opportunities during lunch, but like I said, we just stay away from it. That's usually because there's lighter volume and an increased volatility. But after 1:15, we start the engine right back up, and we got a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 13 ticks. We had another cross to the upside, gave us a signal to get long. Got our first contract off, did not get any follow through. Ended up taking a 2-tick stop out on that trade. And then we crossed back to the downside, got a signal short, same thing, got our first signal off. Didn't get the follow through we were looking for, ended up getting stopped out of our second position there for another 2-tick stop loss. And then we crossed back up to the upside, came down, gave us a signal entry long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks. So overall, a great day, nice productive day, a busy day, and like I said, that first 30 minutes was just a fast market, fast price action. So ended up with 10 trades, 53 ES ticks, capped off a great week for us in the room. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to check out how to join our live trading room, our video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks. Make it a great day.